Hello guys, Flash here. Today we are going to discuss about the bank of NFTs, a new cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain. With that being said, let's get right into the video. So hopping onto their website over here, bank of NFTs. Scrolling me down. So what is Bone? Bone is a decentralized network. Bank of NFTs is the biggest and best opportunity for you to use your NFT collection as leverage and borrow crypto assets backed by your NFT. The fully decentralized P2P project allows NFT collector to request and receive a loan from another community member backed by their NFTs. Bank of NFT system automatically finds the selling history of your NFT and will give you a general floor price. You can then request a loan up to 70% of your NFT floor value, which other community members have the option to fill using native bond token. So scrolling a bit down, there's a 100 million total supply with 2% distribution to all holders and 4% added to liquidity. Bone core values and key features. So community, they are proud of the shared vision which was created by and for the people. Clarity, they are openly exchange information with the public. And sustainability, the future is upon us and we are prepared. Here we can see the token distribution. So marketing and airdrop wallet 6.75%, pre-sale tokens 46%, that's 625%, and the Pancake swap 46, that's 625%. Getting onto the roadmap. So firstly, the concept creation, contract deployment, launch. So this token is not launched yet. Marketing, CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing. In stage 2, staking platform launch, CEX exchange listing and marketing. You guys can go and join the Telegram group with almost 500 members, and as well follow them on Twitter. Here on BSC scan you can see the contract as the token has not launched yet. We can check everything out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you like, subscribe, don't forget to use notification, and I'll catch you guys into the next one.